Hello students, I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Sandeep Khatri. I'm working as an independent legal consultant for criminal, commercial and family matters. I'm also associated with Asian Law College Judicial Coaching Academy, that is ALC JCA, as a law faculty. I'm teaching law for more than 5 years now, and I'm proud to say that I'm guiding judicial aspirants since the beginning of my career. Coming to my education, I have pursued my law from KC Law College, Mumbai, under University of Mumbai, and my LLM from Jindal Global Law School under OP Jindal Global University. Now coming to the answer of the $1 million question, that how to start preparation for judicial services. I have divided the answer into 5 steps. Step number 1, choose your state, and choose your state wisely. Generally, students opt for their home state, but again, it's completely your call for which state you want to prepare for. 70% of the syllabus is almost the same. Rest depends upon the minor laws and local laws. One more thing I want to clarify here is that there are some language-oriented states. For example, Punjabi for Punjab Judicial Services and Marathi for Maharashtra Judicial Services. Step number 2, go through with the previous year question papers of that particular state and mark important areas. This step will help you in understanding the pattern of the examination, that there are going to be direct questions or application-based questions. There are 6 important subjects which you will find in almost all the states. They are IPC, Evidence, CRPC, Constitution, Contract and CPC. Now come to step number 3, how to prepare yourself for PT examination. For PT, Bayer Act is the key. A student must have a good command over the Bayer Act. You should know what are the important section numbers and its essentials. There are 3 to 4 standard books which are available in the market for MCQ practice. So I'll recommend you buy them all and practice MCQs, plus your previous year question papers of that particular state. Now come to step number 4, how to clear mains examination. Practice answer writing of important questions again and again. Your presentation and content is very, very important. Bundle your answer with the help of recent and landmark judgments. Read the question carefully and answer accordingly. Let's take an example. If there is a question on exception 1 of section 300 of IPC, then you will answer accordingly. You will not waste your time by writing what is murder, what are the essentials of murder, what are the important landmark judgments of murder. You will write specifically to what is grave and sudden provocation, what are the recent or landmark judgment on exception 1 of section 300. At last, but the most important, you need to manage time management in the examination hall. Now come to the last step, that is step number 5, which is interview. Interview is all about your personality test. It is all about how you present yourself in front of the panel. The way you dress, the way you sit, the way you speak, it all matters. And top of it, how confident you are while answering the questions. You must answer the questions with all humility. Compassion is the key. Even in case if you don't know any of the answer, you may smile and say, "Sorry sir, I plead ignorance. Do not panic." There are going to be some basic repeated questions. For example, tell me about yourself. Why do you want to become a judge? And if you are done with your LLM, what are the areas of specialization? And what was the topic of your dissertation? If you have experience in litigation, in which area you have practiced in? So they may ask you questions like this. This was all about interview. I hope these steps will help you in your journey of judicial preparation. I wish you all the luck for your future endeavors. At last, I want to personally thank HP Academy for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak about my views and experiences. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.